7 legit ways to make money online. What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and that's exactly what we are going to have a look at in today's video. How you can earn money online in 7 legit ways. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around here, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more on a consistent basis. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, before we get started here, make sure you watch the whole video so you don't miss out on any important information. And you also find my #1 recommendation on how to make money online, my favorite method, all-time favorite method actually. You'll find it right here below this video. But we save that for the end of this video because we want to get started to have a look at what these 7 legit ways to make money online is. With that being said, let's get started. Alright, the first opportunity that you can get started with is to become some kind of a freelancer. Now here it all depends on your knowledge, what you think you are capable and good at being freelancing in. Me for example, I would apply if I was totally new in audio and video editing. That is what my background is. I know that in and out. I've done this for many years. So it all depends, as I said. You might go for data entry, you might go for article writing, or you might be skilled in something else here. So to get a good idea actually on what you could apply for is just to go to Upwork, and you can get started by typing here something like data entry or something else to see if it is someone who actually does this kind of a job, so you can see and compare the rates and so on there. Another site that is very popular also is Fiverr.com. There is Freelancer.com also. Fiverr is definitely a very popular site. I just typed video editing here, so don't get fooled with the $5 only, because you can see here 23 euros, approximately 25 US dollars, 120. So it's definitely much more than $5 that you can make here on Fiverr. So don't fool yourself with that. You're only going to make $5 here. So have a look at it. Get started with any kind of freelance jobs, or actually you can apply for 2 or 3 different things that you are good at. You might be good at let's say for example video editing, and you might be good at data entry for example. You can apply for both there, so you have more opportunities to make money with. Let's move on to the next one, and that is by become a tutor. You can teach English for online. For example, you can make up to $22 per hour here on VIPKidTeachers.com. Or you can go to another site like Chegg, C-H-E-G-G. So you can definitely be a tutor for more than just English. You can be a math solver, for example, writing. And there is anything more or less you can be tutoring on. There is, I think there is much more opportunities. Just go to Google, type tutor, online tutor, and what you're good at. Maths, physics, or whatever it is. And have a look at it. Okay, let's move on to the next one, and that is to start an e-commerce. The most popular site that you would get started to create your own store would be Shopify. A good opportunity is to drop ship. What you do is you more or less market the stuff there. You don't have to take care of the shipping. It might be shipped from Hong Kong, China, or whatever. And you get a commission there, and the shipping, they will take care of the shipping there. But you need to have your online store somewhere, and a good opportunity to have it, and the most popular probably would be Shopify. So just go to shopify.com if e-commerce is your thing there. Let's move on to the next opportunity, and that is to do some micro tasks. Microworkers.com is one of the most popular sites here. You can see that it really is super easy to do this kind of task and doesn't require any previous experience at all. I mean, creating a Gmail account and you can make 8 cents there. Nothing you want, it's definitely something that you won't get rich on, but you can make some good extra money by doing a lot of small simple tasks here. You can also go to mturk.com, which is Amazon sites there, pretty similar, and has a lot of other opportunities also that you can apply for there as well. All right, let's move on to the next opportunity. It is to be a virtual assistant. You can go to a site like virtualassistantjobs.com. I just typed data entry and word processing, and you can see that I found 269 matching records here. Anything you want, part-time, flexible, full-time. So have a look at it. I just took this an example. There is more opportunities you can apply for as a virtual assistant there. Okay, you can actually make money with YouTube. The first and most common way that comes into your mind there is to make money from their advertising program, which is Google AdSense. You do need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours. But if you're serious and you create a lot of videos, you can make it up real quick there, and you can get started to make money with YouTube. But there is also another way, and it goes actually with my last opportunity that I'm going to share with you here, and that is affiliate marketing. So what you can do, you can see here, I just typed Ted's Woodworking review earlier here, and I found out that this is definitely some affiliate, because if you click that link you will go to Ted's Woodworking sales page, and of course make a commission on that. So the user here, Aris Long, has done a super simple video. It's only music, it's some text in here, and he ranks for this really high, you can see here. So these videos are really super easy to do. I actually have a course, Audio Video Mastery, where I share how you can do this and a lot more. But it doesn't require too much actually to do this kind of videos here. So you can do this kind of videos, and of course you will have your affiliate link here. So when someone clicks this link, they will go to the sales page, and of course you will make a commission there. So if I have a closer look at the last method, which is affiliate marketing, the first site that we're going to have a look at here is Amazon. Really simple, because they have over 1 million products that you can promote here. You can make anywhere from 4 up to 10% in commissions. I just opened this camera here for a quick example here. So it is $1,800, and if you say that, like for example, that you make 5% on this, it is around $80 or $90. But the cool thing is that you get cookie. If you would have clicked through my link here, let me show you. Actually, you can grab the text link here, really easy. So when you use this link and someone clicks at it, if they don't purchase the camera and if they purchase something else, you will still make a commission of that. And it's really funny, because I seen some crazy stuff that has been sold. I made commissions on that, and when I got started I didn't know what was going on, because I said I don't promote these offers, but it was really nice because they purchased something else. So that is another opportunity actually by making money as an affiliate marketer for Amazon. So just go to amazon.com, hit apply for as an affiliate, and get started to promote whatever you think that you are a good fit for. And if I have a look at the digital marketing world as an affiliate marketer, ClickBank is the number one and the largest network, of course, also. So I just type here, you can see that there is so many different niches here that you can get involved in. I just went to health and fitness today here for demonstration purposes. So you can see here the flat belly fix, for example. This is a very popular product. You make $40.23 every time someone clicks through that link. So what you do is you generate a hope link. Now this is an ugly link. I would use a bit.ly or something else. You saw earlier there was tiny URL, some kind of a link shortener, so it looks more nicer there actually to promote this offer. And then you can get started and promote it in many ways. One way, as you could see earlier, was actually YouTube, but there is definitely much more. So when someone goes here and purchase these products, I will make a commission. Alright, there you have it. Now, if you're interested, actually, what I would do here, I would go a step beyond in affiliate marketing, which is what I always teach in my course, also Daily List Profits, and that is to build an email list. I mean, if you pay attention, everyone is talking about the money is in the list there. And that is really simple, because you will have a second chance to promote. Imagine yourself that you grab this link here, you start to drive traffic, you pay money for the traffic, and you will not see that traffic again. But if you have a freebie, a free report, a free case study or something in exchange for the email address, you have them in your email list. And you can get started to connect with your list and promote again and again and again. So if you're interested, that is actually what my number one recommendation is all about. You can have a closer look at it in the description right here below, where it says my number one recommendation. If you got some value here out of this video, I really appreciate if you smash that like button below. Make sure you subscribe to both the YouTube channels that you see here at the end screen. Hit the notification bell also, so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another Make Money Online video opportunity there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.